have seen her with another guy. Never, I swear, could expect she put me on my knee. But now I've stopped my side and found that I go on somehow. And well, should they just ask, I know my task, know what to tell. Sad, or whatever drive me oh so mad. My life will always be full of the luck of true love. But now I've stopped my side and found that I go on somehow. Well, should they just ask, I know my task, know what to tell. La 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 la. Well, should they just ask, I know my task, know what to tell. Yes.
Meron po tayong 4 na celebrants ngayong gabi. Si Ma'am Banji Raquel, si Ma'am Divina Tupas, si Ma'am Mochay Aquino, si Ma'am LB Palma. Maligayang arawan po sa inyong 4 mga madam. Yan, ang nagpa-birthday po ay si Sir Tony Enriquez. Yan, siya po ang nagpa-birthday sa ating 4 na celebrants ngayong gabi. Yan. Ito po ay mga kanilang batchmates ni Sir Tony. Ma'am Banji, Ma'am Devina, Ma'am Mochay, Ma'am LB. Maligayang arawan po. All the best to you, mga madam. Happy birthday po. Thank you so much. Patay na.
Okay, happy birthday po sa ating mga gandang dilag na nagsaselebrate ng birthday. Yan. Sa maramdaman namin ang birthday.
Dito rin sa tropang The Dons. Hello po sa inyo, tropang Dons. Hello po. Please enjoy.
Okay, dancing muna tayo.
Isang case na lang. Isang case. Wala laman.